everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a few bits and pieces that I have purchased over the last couple of weeks to a month just to get my wardrobe ready for spring. It's by no means warm here in Toronto. It's still very much winter, but I'm not buying any more winter clothes. I'm starting to incorporate a bit more color into my wardrobe to get it ready for the warmer months. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sansha and I do fashion and styling videos here on YouTube. Please like and subscribe. I'd love for you to join the styled family. And also go and give me a follow over on Instagram. I do daily outfit inspiration reels. You would absolutely love those. So go and give me a follow over there. So the first piece that I wanted to show you is this beautiful white button down. So in my opinion, you can't have enough white button downs in your wardrobe. This is a go-to piece for me in fall and winter for layering underneath sweaters or vests. It makes an outfit just look very chic, but I also wear these non-stop in spring and summer. So I got this one recently from Dynamite, and what I love about this, it's just not just a plain white shirt, it is a white button down, and then it has the contrast stitching in black, which I just think gives it a nice little touch. And this is slightly on the oversized side, so I went with an extra small. It is still very roomy, but that's the look I love with shirts like this. And it is also nice and long, so you can wear it with your leggings, but you can also tuck it into jeans, pants, whatever. So in my opinion, a wardrobe staple for anyone. Then the next piece I'm going to show you might come as a bit of a shock if you've followed me for a while. Believe me, I'm surprising myself at the moment with all the color that I've recently got. But I am absolutely in love with pink at the moment. I'm eyeing up a pink blazer from Zara. It's not too expensive, so it won't be the end of the world if I only end up wearing it for a season or two. But I just love that color, and a pink like this, it's just such a happy color, and yes, it makes me just very excited for spring and summer. So I recently picked this one up from Mango, and I love the pink. It also has some white thread going through, which I think makes it very appropriate for spring and summer as well. So I'll be wearing this one with jeans, with faux leather trousers, definitely with some white wide leg pants and sneakers going into spring. But yes, I am just loving color at the moment, and you'll see the next few pieces as well. And I think this is going to be my year of color, so this is my first purchase towards that. Before I forget, I'll link all the pieces down below, as well as the sizes that I have, and you'll also be able to see the pieces in the cutaway, which you know by now from the previous items that I've shown. The next piece is this mustardy yellow. It's more of a yellow crop top that I recently got from Aritzia. So I am not usually one for crop tops, but they are going to be trendy this year, and I actually bought this to wear with either high-waisted pants or jeans, just with a little peak of skin, not the entire tummy. But I'm also planning on layering this underneath button-down shirts like the white one I showed you. I think this will just you'll just get a peak of color, which will add a nice touch to any outfit. And I just love this sunshine yellow. I think it's such a beautiful color. I got this one in a size small. No, wait, I got it in an extra small. Yes, I got this one in an extra small, and you can either wear it with a strapless bra or without. I actually prefer wearing it without. It is nice and tight, so you don't need to worry about anything moving or showing, but this is just such a beautiful piece. The quality is amazing, and I think I'm definitely going to grab a few more colors as we head into spring and summer. So yes, absolutely love this one. Okay, so the next purchase is a Marmite item. I showed this in the video that I posted last week with 5 outfits styling these chunky boots. and I wanted to show them to you again because I did get them a couple of weeks ago. And what I love about them is that they are white. So this is quite an unexpected color for shoes or boots in winter. I've found so many different ways of styling the white. I think it looks super cool, but this will definitely take me into spring as well because it is a white, essentially a bright color. So it will pair with a lot of my spring pieces, and I think this is just such a great transitioning shoe to have. And here in Toronto, like, I walk wherever I want to go most of the time, so it's essential for me to have a pair of comfy shoes. And this is great for when it's still a bit chilly and I don't really want to wear my white sneakers. So I'm excited to wear these for the next couple of months or so. I've already worn them a ton, and I absolutely love them. I think they are just amazing, and I love that they come up quite high and they are nice and tight around the leg and the ankle. So definitely happy with this purchase. Then the next piece is a bit of a splurge item, but I've been eyeing this self-portrait top for so long. I absolutely love this color, and I finally got it on sale at MyTheresa. You'll see in the cutouts what it looks like, but it's this beautiful like corset style top with the wrap detail, and then it has these puffed shoulders and the beautiful button details here in the sleeves. I think this is just such a beautiful top. I went with a size US 2, so UK 6. And to be honest with you, when I first tried it on, I was like, no, definitely not. I'm going to send it back because it's just too small. But actually, there is a bit of stretch in the fabric, and I tried it on again because I didn't want to send it back. I love it so much, and they didn't have the size up. So I tried it on again to see if it's really too small, and it actually fit more comfortably. And then I wore it for a project I was doing with Monica Vinegar, and it fit even better then. So I think the more you wear it, the more comfortable it gets. Maybe it stretches out a bit, but now I'm very happy with the size 2. Just keep in mind that if you are a bit more busty, then it's probably going to be too tight for you. So definitely size up then if you can still find it, because it is last season, but I know a few retailers still have this. So I'll link it down below if I can find it. Hopefully it's still on sale, but I just absolutely love this one. And this is great for, you know, date nights, to dress it up a bit with faux leather pants, but also with some jeans and sneakers. So I know I'll get so much wear out of this one. Okay, and the next piece, well, the last piece I want to show you is from Farfetch. You probably recognized this logo. I actually opened it already, but I wanted to kind of do a semi unboxing with you. So this is an early birthday present, and I've been wanting something similar for quite a while. I just was on the fence about which one I should get, and I'm holding you in suspense. I'll show it to you now. So this is what it comes like in the packaging. If you can see, it does have a little Saint Laurent sticker there, so that is kind of a hint. It just comes beautifully packaged like this, and then it comes in this gorgeous little box. So I'm just going to open this for you. And it does come in its own pouch as well, like this. And it's a YSL brooch. I am just so in love with this piece. Let me just hold it in front of the little bag so you can see it better. But I've actually wanted a designer brooch for, wow, 3 or 4 years now. But it's kind of an expensive piece for what it is. So I just wanted to make 100% sure that I, you know, got the right one, that I wanted, that I knew exactly what I wanted. So it took me a while to kind of figure out what I wanted, what I loved. I knew I didn't want something that was too blingy with like rhinestones. I wanted something that I'll be able to wear kind of every day, and that will go with my summer and with my winter wardrobe. So I looked at a few. I looked at some from Fendi, some from Versace, but actually Tamara from Love of Mode, she's also a YouTuber. She actually has quite similar YSL brooch, and that actually convinced me to get the YSL one, because it just always looks so beautiful when she styles it, but it's not too bulky, it's not too in your face, so that's why I love this one. I'll show you in the cutaways as well what it looks like on, and I'm excited to style it now. I've already done a few reels with it, but also going into spring and summer, I think this will look great with some bold bright colors, with whites, with denim, basically with everything. And that's what I love about a piece like this. It's not like kind of a handbag which, you know, you need to match it sort of with your outfit. This will go with literally every single outfit. So I'm absolutely so excited and happy about this purchase. So I'll link Tamara's Instagram account and YouTube down below if you don't follow her already. She's got some amazing style. But yes, I'm excited to style this like for now and forever, because I know it's something that I'll have in my wardrobe for years and years and years to come. Well, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. Let me know which pieces were your favorite, and if you saw anything that you particularly loved. I'd love to hear from you. But yes, please don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos, and also don't forget to go and give me a follow over on Instagram. But until the next video, I will talk to you then. Bye.